Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at this reptile fixture light. Now this is a 10 UVB light for your reptile cage. I'm telling you guys, this is going to be nice. Now I have a reptile cage upstairs for my little buddy Happy, which is a bearded dragon. So let me show you guys what you get. As you guys can see, this is very well packaged. This is an all metal housing, really nice design. Also, you're going to find your actual light tubes inside, also very well packaged. Now, you will need to replace these light bulbs every, I would say, 6 to 12 months. Really nice design. This has the reflector built into it, so that's going to maximize the amount of light coverage. So you're going to get your UVB, you're going to get your UVA, you're going to get all of those light frequencies. As you guys can see here on the side, here's where you're going to plug in the included power cable. This has the integrated switch right here in the cable. So once we're ready to go upstairs and set this up for Happy, I think this is going to be really easy. Also, as you can see, the cable itself is relatively long. This is a 3-prong cable. It is grounded. It does come with hardware. So if you wanted to mount this, say for instance, on a wall, or if you have a different type of enclosure that requires, wood mounts, you do get a few accessories for that as well. The manual itself will kind of walk you through the setup, how to connect the cable. Now, it also comes with this UV sensor card. And what this allows you to do, you place the card inside of the cage. And what this will do is it'll give you an indication if you're getting proper UV coverage in the area that you have the light. So let's take this light upstairs, set it up, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, guys, we're upstairs at Happy's habitat. You can see Happy's down there excited about this new light. I guess she's excited. But anyway, as you guys can see, we have the light now here on top of the habitat. And I just have the cable temporarily running along the side. But you can see the UV light is working properly. It fits very flush here onto the mesh with no problems. So I think she's going to be really happy with this light, and we should be able to eliminate a lot of these old style lights that we've been using in the past. So I think this right here is going to be an excellent solution for her habitat. Now, I haven't placed the card inside yet, but I will be adding the UV card inside so that we can keep track of the amount of UV light that's getting into the cage. So yeah, I'm very excited with this. All right, guys, so it's been your buddy Rome and Happy. Would like to thank you guys for watching this video, and we will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe, peace, we're out.